Welcome back to a new video on app tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how to create your Netflix account. So without any further ado, let's dive in. Firstly, open up your web browsers and search for netflix.com. Once you search for netflix.com, you'll land on its website. Now all you do is enter in your email address to start the process. Type in your email address and then click on Get Started. Click on Next. In the next step, you need to create a password for your Netflix account. Make sure your password is strong, and if you don't want to receive emails and special offers from Netflix, you can check this box and click on Next. In the next step, you need to choose your plan of Netflix because Netflix is a paid subscription service. Click on the next option and you'll have 4 choices: the mobile plan, basic, standard, and the premium plan. The mobile plan is the cheapest plan and the premium is the expensive one. Choose the one that you want to use. You can see the description of it. In the premium plan, you get 4K resolution and you can use all these devices, and it costs about $12. And the cheapest one costs about $4 and you can use 2 devices, but you only get 480p resolution. So choose the one that you want and then click on Next. Now the last thing you need to do is pay for the service. You can use either your debit or credit cards, or you can use PayPal. All the major cards are available, so if you want to pay with the card, you can click on the card option and then enter in your details and then click on Start Membership. If you want to pay by PayPal, you can also do that. Click on Continue PayPal. You just need to log into your PayPal account and continue with the payment. And as soon as you pay for your subscription, you can start watching movies, TV shows, and more. So that was a real quick video on how to create your Netflix account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.